Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos. Before we get to the carbon footprint, let's look at some of the BIM software or the BIM tools that are available. Okay, so let's take a look at that. So the popular among the BIM software is Autodesk Revit. Okay, and at the very early stages, we had Revit Architecture, separate software, Revit Structure, separate software, Revit MEP, separate. But now, if you talk about Autodesk Revit, it has all of them in one software as one. Okay, and then rather there is there are templates for the various disciplines. Okay, so Revit is for me the number one BIM software, which when you use you're going to have a very good coverage. Then so that's the number one building information modeling software. Now the number one building information management software is BIM 360. Okay, which is also a cloud-based construction management software, which we've spoken a lot about. So Revit is building information modeling, BIM 360 is building information management software. We also have Navisworks, which is also a product of Autodesk, and it's a BIM project review software. Okay, so you can use that to review the various stages of the construction process. So that's also a very good software. BIM software. We have Autodesk has Revit Structure for the structural engineers, but that is for modeling, structural modeling. Revit Structure is purely for structural modeling, so that whatever the architect has given to you as an architectural file, you can do the structural modeling, give them the column size, the column positions, let them see how your structural elements affect their architecture. Okay, so if your beam depth is too deep such that it is going to interfere with the ceiling, they want to know it. Okay, so that when they cast section through it, they can see your beam dropping. Then they know, no, we have an issue at hand. Then it will be addressed at the design stage. So they have the Revit Structure as part of the Revit package. Okay, but because it's for only modeling, if you see anybody using Revit Structure and the person is detailing with it, it means that there is a third-party software that is being introduced, or some extensions or some plugins that is making it work beyond what is meant for. Okay, so Autodesk also has Autodesk Robot Structure that is for analysis, but we also have this Perfect software, which is also gradually gaining grounds globally. It is the Prota Structure software, which is also a BIM software. In fact, it's an AI BIM software where after doing the modeling, the analysis, the design, it does the documentation for you. Straight away, it does the documentation for you. So these are some of the tools that you can look out for. And the Prota also integrates very well with the Revit Structure. So this is what happens when you do your structural modeling Revit Structure. You can link it with Prota BIM into the Prota Structure, do your analysis, do your design, get your detailing for the client, and then push the final design work back to them, so they will know the actual section or the sizes. So Prota is a perfect tool for for professionals in the AEC industry. So these are some of the BIM tools that I want to talk about. But when you look at the top left corner, there are quite a number of them, which you can also search online and see more of such tools that you'll be very comfortable with. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video to talk about the carbon footprint of a project. Thank you. Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.